Today we are adding some ports to an existing installation utilizing the Leviton front loading panel. We have limited access behind the panel due to adjacent equipment, but that is not a problem for this panel. We have two options for performing the installation. The first option is to route the cables through the panel and perform the terminations and installation from the front. The second option is to terminate our cables first and then route them through the panel. We'll go through each option next. First, let's get our new cables into position. We'll begin by removing the bezels from the ports where we will be working. Next, we will route our cables in from behind the panel and guide them through the panel openings. We want approximately 12 inches of slack exposed in front of the panel to allow for termination. Next, we will terminate the cables. We will then install the bezels onto the jacks and then route them into the panel. Our second option is to terminate the cables first and then route them through the panel. It is good practice to pre-fit and mark the cables at the intended strip point. Here we have measured and terminated the cables and are ready to guide them to the front of the panel. We will then install the bezels onto the jacks and then into the panel openings. We can now dress the cables behind the panel and secure them to the included cable management bar. Any excess slack can be dressed into the vertical management. Installation is complete. For more information, visit leviton.com.